like you ain't playing them in my Gullah Geechee garden. Yeah. Well, how Hunter children to do this year, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. This is we launched right here with the Charleston RiverDogs right here in downtown Chucktown. And we're so glad that Hunter children to join we, because this year thing to lead right on into this year Gullah Geechee Jubilee for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Fest. So Hunter children, we got plenty for Hunter to see, and we're so glad that Hunter did you to join we. This year the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And Hunter children know this year the what going on.
Geechee Festival right here at the Joe. I've got a proclamation right here from Joseph P. Riley Jr. that I would like to read to get things started. Whereas the Gullah Geechee culture grew from the soil of the Sea Islands in what is now the Gullah Geechee Nation, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, and Sullivan's Island in Charleston County. Charleston County was in fact the first point of entry for more than 40% of all Africans enslaved in North America. And whereas the city of Charleston is the location of the arrival square, the location of the auction blocks upon which many of these Africans stood during the transatlantic slave trade. And whereas these arriving Africans joined with an indigenous Native Americans of our region to form a unique culture which includes the Gullah Geechee spiritual practices, languages, polyrhythmic music, the spirituals, the cuisine, sweet grass basketry, quilting, cast net making, boat making, traditional fishing, blacksmithing, architecture, and knowledge of the environment that allowed them to reshape the coastal area of the Carolinas, Georgias, northeastern Florida into a Gullah Geechee cultural landscape. And whereas Gullah Geechee continues to honor their ancestries by holding on to these traditions and the family compounds that their ancestors created after purchasing the same lands on which they had been enslaved and then leaving it for their descendants to dwell on together. And whereas many of the forts of Charleston County stand as evidence to the contributions of Gullah Geechees that fought during the United States Civil War for their right to own land and to have their freedom. And whereas Gullah Geechees came together at Fort Moultrie on July 2nd, 2000 to elect and install their own leader for the next phase of their freedom and to lead their stand for their human rights and continued self-determination, and thereby elected Queen Quet, chiefess and head pontiffandi of Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas she founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, which comes to Charleston every 2 years, and whereas the city of Charleston embraces and continues to celebrate the living legacy of Gullah Geechees, now, therefore, I, Joseph B. Riley Jr., Mayor, City of Charleston, do hereby proclaim July 29, 2012 through August 5th, 2012 as Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week in the City of Charleston, and call upon all citizens to participate in supporting the Gullah Geechee business, institutions, and events of Native Gullah Geechee this week. Signed, Joseph B. Riley Jr., Mayor.
I want to tell them to do this evening. This year, the Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week right here in Charleston, South Carolina. We're going to call Chucktown. I want to tell them to do this evening. You sure? Yeah. So I'm trying to work out the sound. You have to do it a little bit better than that. Okay, sisters, Now we see that y'all really want to take them to the river there while this rain is coming, but if y'all shout, we can make this show rain go on and join to the sea. And this year, the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We're so glad that we got Elder Lisa Wineglass, and we minister information at the College right there this evening as we flag say, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Now, we got a little bit of Gullah Geechee trivia for 100 children this evening too. We want, the first question will be easy. So I could give you all one easy question, but then one will have to find one a week so we can know if one got the right answer. Y'all ready? Y'all ready over there? What city does the Gullah Geechee Nation start in? What city does it end in? What city does the Gullah Geechee Nation begin in? And what city does the Gullah Geechee Nation end in? So when you find me, you come with me with the answer. And we got something for 100 children. But for the rest of the evening, we're so glad you're to join me. But next weekend, join us at the Charleston Maritime Center, Saturday from noon to 7 for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. This year, the only the beginning. Y'all ready this evening? Y'all sure? Help me out real quick. Let me see. They say they're ready. Let me see if they're ready. Who are the mic? Y'all can do this? So we got plenty more history and trivia for 100 children, and make sure y'all pay attention to that board over there this evening, because plenty of info right there, and might help you with a few of these trivia answers too. So we're so glad that 100 children there with me, but we got plenty more as the bricks on this year's night. And we say thank you to all the river dogs. And tonight, we're going to win this game. Y'all ready? All right.
Come on, let's make some noise for them. Let's give them a hand. Ladies and gentlemen, for more information on the Gullah Geechee Nation, you can also go to www.GullahGeecheeNation.com. Also, Gullah Geechee
Well, how 100 children to do this year? The Queen Quet coming to 100 Live for this year Gullah Geechee TV Nation News for the start of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week right here in downtown Chucktown. Y'all looking at me to say, what we ain't got on there? We ain't never see y'all like that. This the we home team, the Charleston RiverDogs. So y'all have to come the next time. It's the season going on and send batteries up here in Charleston and let them slide one in the home for you. Well, you know what? What else the Queen gonna do but hang out with regal people? You understand? So right here in Charleston, we got Councilman Regal who came to bring us our proclamation, and we're so glad that you're here. Now we know we normally had a mayor home, but you are the mayor pro tem of Charleston.
Yes, I am, Queen. Yes.
So we're so glad to have you here with us today and things like that. And for your first time at one we Gullah Geechee Nation celebration.
I'm sorry again, once again, I was...
Oh, see that, y'all,
I wasn't listening.
See, he ain't supposed to know what I was
Finish up
going to
the
say.
interview.
So, now, here it is. He is here at our first Gullah Geechee Nation celebration for you.
Yes.
Yes, Dr.
Yes, I am.
Regal?
Yes, I am. Absolutely.
We hope it's not going to be your last.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I've enjoyed this so much. It's a great honor, a great heritage. There's so much history, and we appreciate you here in Charleston that you're preserving this history, this tradition, and keeping it alive. So we appreciate your leadership in that. really do.
Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Y'all know I love Charleston.
I know you do.
Everybody feels I live here all the time.
Yes, I know. Yes.
Because y'all work me, and now y'all even working me at the baseball
I know.
team.
We got to get you throughout that first pitch.
I know
meeting.
that's right. So definitely we have prayed away the rain so
Yes,
that we
ma'am.
can definitely get this game going.
Okay.
But now you represent the mayor today as Mayor Pro Tem. Now I know just like me, a lot of my viewers may have never heard that term at
Yes.
first, or they've heard it but never knew what that means. What does a Mayor Pro Tem do?
That's a good question, Queen. My official job is District Councilman for 10, which is West Nashun, the largest district in the great city of Charleston.
Oh, wow.
It'd be like Shadow Moss, Green, Grand Oaks.
Right.
But every year, council elects what we call a mayor pro tem. And the role of the mayor pro tem is to fill in whenever the mayor is not available, either at ceremonial functions or events or welcome events like tonight, or if the mayor's out of town or incapacitated, I would take over the city and council business. So it's equivalent to vice president, we say, on a national level.
Right.
But don't you? That's good.
That's a good thing. And we definitely don't want you incapacitating the mayor just to take over the city. We heard you say that you would take over the city.
Well, watch over the city. Let me say that.
Watch over the city.
And when the mayor appointed me to this position, of course, it was unanimous for the council. He said, I just have one request. Councilman Wrigley said, if you just will not tweet me every 15 minutes and ask me how my health is.
That's right. I don't blame him. I don't blame him.
But he's a great mayor. He's
Yes,
finished up
he
his 10th term, which will be 40 years. And his vision and his leadership has made Charleston the great city it is today.
Definitely.
And just like you, you've contributed so much to our history legacy, and that's what the Low Country in Charleston, South Carolina is all about.
Thank you so
No, thank
much.
you, Queen.
And
Thank you for
y'all
including me.
know, even though you don't see Mayor Riley here, you see Councilman Regal and Mayor Pro Tem, we are still at the Joe. So Hunter have to know, that is what this is, the Joseph P. Riley Stadium. So we feel welcomed by the mayor himself, and definitely we got the best, because we got Regal with royalty. So Hunter chillin' know, if you're there with me, Hunter going know this year the what going on. Peace and blessings. It's time for the game, y'all.
Right. Play ball.
Play ball.
Thank you. Oh, that was great. Good job. Good job. Thank you.
Wonderful.